The story of Hiccup Horrendous Haddock 3 and Toothless in the How to Train Your Dragon 2025 live-action movie is a heartfelt journey of friendship, understanding, and breaking down prejudices in a world divided between humans and dragons. Their bond serves as the emotional backbone of the narrative. Hiccup, portrayed by Mason Thames, is a young, inventive Viking living on the dragon-plagued island of Berk. He is the son of Stoik the Vast, the tribe's chieftain, who expects him to become a fearsome dragon slayer. However, Hiccup feels out of place, as he lacks the physical strength and aggression typical of Viking warriors. During a dragon raid, Hiccup captures Night Fury, a rare and mysterious dragon feared for its speed and destructive power. He named him Toothless. Toothless reveals his playful, intelligent, and loyal nature, which contrasts sharply with his fearsome reputation. Their relationship grows into a profound partnership that changes Hiccup's perspective on dragons and life forever. As Hiccup and Toothless grow closer, they begin to bridge the divide between humans and dragons. Hiccup secretly uses his newfound knowledge to challenge the Viking tradition of dragon slaying, though this puts him at odds with his father and the rest of the tribe. Toothless, once seen as a dangerous predator, becomes a symbol of coexistence and understanding. The story of Hiccup and Toothless is ultimately about growth, courage, and breaking free from societal expectations. Hiccup evolves from an insecure outcast into a brave leader, and Toothless transforms from a feared creature into a beloved companion. Together, they not only change the fate of Berk but also inspire a new era of harmony between humans and dragons.